Today we're checking out this GT350 track pack style rear spoiler in carbon fiber for the 2015 to 2023 Mustangs. If you want to sharpen up the rear end and give your Mustang that more serious track inspired look, this is one of those parts that changes the personality of the car the second that you put it on, so it's definitely worth considering. The top feature of this spoiler is all about style, but it does it in a way that feels right at home on any Mustang. The GT350 track pack style gives the rear of the car a more aggressive and more purposeful look, which helps the Mustang feel lower, a little bit wider, and more performance focused from behind. The carbon fiber build on this is a big reason that someone's gonna want this particular version because it adds that premium look that stands out without needing any bright colors or any extra trim added on. It's also gonna resist impact, cracking, and deformation, so it isn't just about looks. It's built to hold up to real daily use. Another nice feature here is that it's a direct fit install built exactly for the Mustang with no drilling required. So you can get a very noticeable rear end upgrade without turning the install into a big bodywork project. If you're building around a cleaner, more track style theme with splitters and side skirts or maybe some wheels, this is exactly the kind of part that helps tie the whole car together, so it's definitely worth checking out. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a rear spoiler built from high quality carbon fiber. That gives you a lightweight part with a premium finish and the strength to resist impact, cracking, and deformation over time. This carbon fiber has a clean gloss finish on it, so it's really gonna pop on the back of the car. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's gonna come in right in that upper $300 price range. For a carbon fiber rear spoiler in the GT350 track pack style, that's a solid value for a part that delivers a major visual upgrade and a much more premium look than just a basic plastic spoiler. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in just 20 minutes of your time. Now, let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our American Muscle customers.
This is everything you're going to need for this project. First, you need a ratchet to remove the factory bolts. You need a ratchet extender to get into hard to reach places and a 10mm socket. Moving on, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to install the new screws. You're gonna need Goo Gone to get 3M tape off. You're going to need a microfiber cloth to use with the Goo Gone to get the previous 3M tape off. You're going to need new 3M tape to put the wing on, and you need a plastic trim removal tool. That's optional, but it's helpful with getting the 3M tape off.
So the first step is you gotta remove the trunk liner, and you can do that with either a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. You gotta take these pins out over here, you see, and you can start, you just like pry it under. It with force and using the trim removal tool here. Just be gentle with them because I mean it is plastic, you don't want to break anything. Just gotta keep pulling it out. See, it's out already. You can get the rest with your hands, so it'll make it easier to do that. Hands up. Good. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab this one. This one too. That, just pop it out, put it somewhere nice so you don't lose it. I believe there's about 6 of them.
After you get the 9 tabs out, just going to set this.
Okay, just for these big pieces, all you gotta do is really just unscrew them. You just twist them I believe counterclockwise. Yeah, looks like they're coming out. They come out pretty easy. It's the last piece of the trunk liner. Just keep going. See, it's out. Put it away. And then same thing for the other side. And your trunk liner is just gonna come out right after this. Take it off. There we go. You actually gotta get this piece last. For this last piece, all you gotta do is like lift it up and like to the left a little. Kind of just gotta mess with it a bit, and it should just come out pretty easily. You can see it's like already trying to come out. Through, boom. Just put it away for storage. You're gonna need that later. And then we have these over here. You're just gonna have to literally just push them in, and see, you just take them right out. Then there's gonna be some bolts in these holes you're gonna have to get for the OEM wing. We have a ratchet right here, the extender, and a 10mm on it. You're gonna need that to get that out, and definitely this extender, or else you're not gonna be able to get in there. So first, you're gonna get these middle ones first. There's gonna be 2 in here that you're gonna have to get first, and then you can get these other 2 after. Make sure you try and like keep your trunk like a little bit like halfway closed, because you don't want that bolt falling in here. It's gonna be a pain to get out. So it'll be easier if you loosen it a bit first here and then put it like down a bit and get it out like that. So you're gonna get this one first. You just get the rest with your hand. A bit easier that way. Once it's almost out, you don't want it falling.
Stock's wing is still held on by 3M tape, so we're gonna go in a fishing line and try to get it off like that.
Nice.
And as you can see, we ended up applying some force here to get it off, and don't be afraid to do that. You aren't gonna break your trunk. Okay, next we want to get this old 3M tape off by going in with Goo Gone and a microfiber, and it's kind of tedious, but you just want to keep wiping away at this stuff until it's gone. So after we get all the 3M tape off the car, you're gonna go with a clean microfiber. You put water or your cleaner on it, and just get all the Goo Gone and all the remaining tape off the back of the car. Next, we're gonna put 3M tape onto our new wing here. So we're gonna start and just do the whole thing like how the stock one was. Okay, first side's done.
So GT350 style carbon fiber wing. We already have the 3M tape added on, like you said. What we think we're gonna do is just try and get it in place first, and then from there you're gonna want to screw one bolt in. These are gonna go where the pre-existing bolts from the OEM spoiler went. That'll just screw in place instead of the screws and bolts from there. We're just gonna have to open the trunk to do it, seems like. Yeah, we're gonna have someone hold it in place as well. Here.
So now that we have one screw in, you're just gonna lightly put your hand under, not to undo the work you did.
Just be careful when doing this. Just get the 3M tape off.
Now that we have it lined up, we're just gonna continue putting each of the screws in. Okay, after we've secured the screws in here, we're gonna move on to these two on the sides.
Okay, so for these last two, make sure you hold your thing like this when you're doing it, and keep your trunk closed like as much as possible, because you do not want it to fall in your trunk. You're gonna have to take off your trunk or get a magnet, something like that to fix it.
Hello, we are back. It is a new day, and this is the last step to putting your car back together after you put your new spoiler on. First, we're going to be taking the trunk lining, and you see this black piece right here. We want to get it back on. So start by taking this safety tab and pulling it on back through. And then we're going to take the trunk liner, put it at an angle, and just twist it back on. Just like that. Make sure that tab goes all the way through. Next, we're going to be taking our plastic screws that we put to the side, and we put them back on here just by twisting them in. Onto the second one. Okay. Next, we are taking the 9 plastic tabs that we had put to the side, and we just pop them back in. And then we took these out before. I forgot to record me putting them back in, but it's just these 2 little plastic pieces. It's super easy to put back in. Take the side with the indent, and you literally just pop it back in here. Just like that, and make sure you do it with this other one as well.
Well, that wraps up our review and install of the GT350 track pack style rear spoiler in carbon fiber for the 2015 to 23 Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.